friends. So today we're talking about perimeter. Perimeter is the distance around a figure. Let's go ahead and get some dotted paper going here. We can see that the perimeter is the distance around a figure. One line between these two dots is 1 unit. So if we wanted to find the perimeter around a shape, we can count the lines that go in between the dots because that will equal 1 unit. If we were going to find the perimeter of a rectangle that is 4 units on two sides and 3 units on the other two sides, we could draw that out. As you can see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 on one side. Then I have 1, 2, 3 on the other. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4 on the bottom. So that's my two sides I have done. And then I have 1, 2, 3 on the other side, showing that my other two sides are done. Now to find the perimeter, I'm going to add up all of these measurements to figure out what the total amount around the shape is. 4 plus 3 is 7. 4 plus 3 is 7. So 7 plus 7 equals 14. The perimeter around this rectangle is 14 units long. If I wanted to find the perimeter around a figure, I would count the number of units on my paper, just like you will today in your must-dos. So if I were going to find the perimeter of this shape, I would count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2 on this side. 1, 2, just like we said. Then we're going to go ahead and do the bottom, make sure it matches the top. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5 plus 2. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I counted all the boxes around my shape to get the perimeter. The perimeter of this rectangle is 14 units. I'm going to do the same thing with this one. Starting here, I can count around the shape to find the perimeter. So here we go. This side has only 1 unit that we have measuring. Then we're going to count this one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This shape has a perimeter of 12 units. We're going to go ahead and do this ourselves again. One more time just to practice. So the top side has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 centimeters. Then this side has 1, 2, 3. Now, since this is a rectangle, they should have the same, but let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, they are the same. And then finally the last side, which should be the same as this. 1, 2, 3. Great, now that I have my measurements, I can go ahead and add up these totals to get the perimeter. 7 plus 3 is 10. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 10 equals 20. So therefore, if I were going to measure units as centimeters, it's 20 units, so that also means it is 20 centimeters. Let's go ahead and get you guys to try some of these.